Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
I'm John, your neighbor next door.
It's nice to meet you, John. I'm Alex. This is my wife Emma, and these are my children.
I'm very pleased to meet you all. We're having a barbecue on Saturday, and we thought you might like to come. Lots of the neighbors will be there. I think it will be fun for you to meet them.
Thank you for the invitation. That's very nice of you. We would love to come.
What can we bring?
Oh, you don't need to bring anything. Don't worry about that. I have to go now. If you need anything, you can drop by our house anytime.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
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 Are you nervous about tomorrow, Julia?
Yes, I am. I don't know anyone. I will feel so alone and so strange. What if nobody will like me?
That's not going to happen. You are such a kind and intelligent girl. I'm sure you'll make friends very quickly.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs. Stewart.
It's so good to see you all again. I hope your summer holiday was great. I would like you to meet your new classmate, Julia Alberts.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Please tell us where you're from and how old you are.
I come from the UK. I was born in a small town called Bakewell. We moved here 2 weeks ago. I'm 12 years old, and I would love to be able to make lots of friends in this school.
Welcome to our school, Julia. We hope you will feel great here with us. Look, there is a free seat by the window. You can sit there.
Thank you. Hi, do you mind if I sit here? No, I don't mind. Please have a seat. Thanks. I'm Michelle. We are in the same class. Nice to meet you, Michelle. Nice to meet you too. So you are British. That is so cool. You must miss your country and your friends very much. Oh yes, I do indeed, though I have only been living here for 2 weeks. Come and sit here with us, guys. This is May, and this is Brian. They are our classmates too.
Nice to meet you, Julia.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, May? Your name sounds Asian. I'm from China. So you are Chinese. I am half Chinese and half American. You see, my mom's from China and my dad's from the USA. Really? How long have you been living here? I have been living here for 5 years. So how do you like it here? I like it very much because I have lots of friends and relatives.
Do you have any siblings, Julia?
Yes, I've got an older brother. He's 14 and he attends this school too.
What is your favorite subject?
It's science. But I also like PE. By the way, I would like to join a swimming club. Do you know where it is?
I do. I'm in the school swimming team. You can come with me after classes.
Great! Thanks.
Do you live far from school?
No, my home is just a 15-minute walk from school. It's on Belford Street. What a coincidence! I live there too. We can meet later after school and I'll show you around. That's a gorgeous idea. I would love to.
Welcome to our home. I'm glad you could make it. Please meet my wife Kate, and my daughters. Kate, these are our new neighbors, Alex, his wife Emma, and their lovely children.
Hello. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hello. It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, it's really nice to meet you. So how are you settling in?
Fine, thanks. We simply love this neighborhood.
I can give you some tips on places to go and things to do in this area.
That would be lovely, thank you.
Where are you from?
We're from the UK.
Wow, that's so nice.
Julia and I have already met each other at school. Can you believe we are classmates?
That's such a pleasant surprise.
Okay, I'd like now to introduce you to the other neighbors. Come and meet them. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.